Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a drawing of an Angry Bird. We're going to start with a circle. Make sure it's in the middle of the page. Then we're going to draw two bumps at the top. Next we're going to draw the eyebrows. We're going to draw the letter V 2 times. When you get to the end, you can connect the two together. Then you're going to draw a little line down, and then draw a triangle starting with an upside down V and connecting it. Then draw the bottom triangle. Next, you can go ahead and draw two bumps, one for each eye, and draw a circle in the middle. After that, we're going to add the belly, and then add some circles for some feather details. And lastly, we're going to add the tail. So we're going to draw a triangle, triangle, and a little triangle. Now we can have our Angry Bird flying through the sky. So I'm going to draw the ground alert below him and add some lines for some wind for him as he flies through the sky. And then you can go in and add your detail to add a nice, complete background. There you go. Now you have a lovely Angry Bird.